Hey, good morning, you guys. Glad to be here with y'all, quite literally. Had some idiot pull out in front of me a while ago. Had to go into the ditch to avoid hitting him. Spilled my cooler, all my beer. That's really what made me mad. But anyway, glad to be here. And we're having our monthly meeting here in just a little bit. So I'm going to take the drone, fly around the site, so I can show the guys the dig, which is complete now. We're moving a little bit of sand from another area just to take to the wash plant to blend, because our sand was getting a little bit coarse. So we're going to check on that and just do a general fly around the site to just see what's happening and update everybody. So I'm going to let you guys fly along with us, and I'm going to try to send it up. Well, I'm going to, by hand, put it up through the sunroof and see if I can come back and land on the truck. So I might get to see a crash today after all. Anyway, y'all come along with us and let's go see what's happening out there. Camera is stuck. Camera got stuck. May have to land. Let's see if that fixed it. Gimbal motor overloaded. Huh. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay. It's working now. It just had a little glitch. Let's try again. Take two. Okay, take off. Yep. Oh yeah, now we're good. Yeah, we're good to go now. Alright, let's go check out the landfill and the new cell first. A little altitude, and then we gone. This thing is so cool, man. I love this drone. This is the DJI Mini, and just an amazing little drone. Of course, I forgot to hit record. All right, so there's a landfill. See the guys down there pushing some trash and compacting. It's a little jumpy for some reason. There it goes. Maybe I smoothed it out. Anyway, okay, sorry. Having all kind of technical difficulties this morning. Pile of metal right there. That'll be recycled. The guys are moving some cover to cover up the waste. Looks nice. So the cover, that'll allow us to get trucks back out on the waste again, and it also really cuts down on fire hazard and windblown litter. There's the new cell, nice and opened up. Guys did a really good job on that. It looks really, 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 Had a bunch of rain the other day, as you can see, all those big washouts. That's a big old hole there, though. A lot of sand and a lot of room for more waste as well. Of course, we want to try to recycle as much as we can and not put stuff in the hole, but well, we're just too wasteful as humans, and we can't recycle. We can't, look through it all. There's too much waste coming in every day. So let's see, there's Gringo and the guys over at the mulch yard. Not grinding just yet, but I'm sure they will be. They've been staying busy this spring for sure. And this is the composting operation. There's the windrows cooking along nice. You can see some compost over to the left that's finished. All that out there in the field there, that's finished compost that is aging, curing, and then it'll be screened, and then it will be ready for sale. So let's see here, I'm gonna get a little bit more altitude, and we'll try to go and see where the guys are digging. I don't know, it's kind of far away. See if we can make it. I see them kicking up dust down there. Got a big pile of logs we got to get ground up, and there's some of Dad's nature preserve fields he plants for all the deer and quail and dove. That's the new haul road we built through the woods there. So if the drone will let us, if we're able to make it a little bit further, we can see where the guys are now digging. Yeah, there's the track hoe. So this is a sand clay mine, one of the first areas my dad started mining way back when. Got some real good clay on it. I'm not gonna go too much further because we might lose drone signal. But there they are, digging some of that fine sand. And they'll take that and we'll take it back to the plant. And like I said, we'll blend it with our sand that we currently have to get us the right mixture, because right now we're just really coarse. So let's see what we can see here. There's my parents' place, and that's where I grew up, in that house right there to the middle right. And there's the sand hill. So you can see they're stockpiling that sand up here by the sand mountain, and then Gerald can kind of blend it as he needs to get the right consistency. So they've stockpiled a good bit so far. I've only been digging down here just a few hours. So that's some pretty sand. Okay, well I guess we better come back because I got the meeting pretty soon, and it says weak signal, which I don't know why, because I can see my truck right there in the video. There's the block operation and the concrete crusher and all that good stuff. There's that pond that we have to dig out periodically for the sand operation. And now let's see if I can bring this thing in here and land and not crash. I was pretty close to that thing falling in here. Oh, I might better go home today. I don't know. A lot of crazy junk happening already. But hey, we did it. We did it. We did it the lazy way. So cool. All right, well, hey, thanks for joining us. Hit that like and subscribe down there if you will. It helps us out, and comments really help us out. So just say hey or something. I don't care. Say whatever you want. Say, hey, look at that bird crap on my window. Doesn't really matter as long as we get comments. But hey, seriously, thanks guys. And I don't know what we're gonna do next for a video. Maybe we'll go down to the compost, or I don't know, might go check the sampling out. We got a magnet coming soon. A Hyundai excavator with a magnet on it. Been waiting a while to get that one in here, so that'll be a cool thing for you guys to check out. But anyway, y'all take care. We'll see you on the next one.